Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to convert light to dark mode in Mozilla Firefox. This will be short and easy tutorial. So let's get started. First, you must open Firefox. Now click on these three lines, this hamburger button on the top right corner, three horizontal lines. Click on it and search for settings. Here is settings. Now click on it and now scroll down where it says language and appearance, website appearance. Now I have automatic. You can choose light or dark. I will choose dark for this tutorial. Dark. And now you have it. Dark Firefox. Dark. You can change color for text, website, backgrounds and links. Click on manage colors. And here you can change different colors and link colors and so on. You can change also fonts and so on. I hope this video was helpful for you, and please like and share and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and have a great day. Bye bye.